How to book in a driving test on the Service NSW app. Welcome! This guide will show you how to book a driving test using the Service NSW Mobile App step by step. Start by opening your Service NSW app on your phone. If you haven't already, log in using your My Service NSW account. From the home screen or the Services menu, tap on Book a Driving Test to begin the process. You'll be prompted to enter your learner license number and any required personal information. Select the type of test you're booking, like the hazard perception test or the driving test. Then choose a convenient testing location. Browse the available dates and times and choose a slot that works for your schedule. Check that all the information is correct, then proceed to payment if required to confirm your booking. After booking, you'll see a confirmation on screen. You'll also get an email or SMS with your booking details.